Hello and welcome back. So we're going to be going through a Pilates standing warm-up sequence today. So make sure you've got your mat ready, you've got some space around you. If you've got any injuries, make sure you do take those into consideration. And remember, you're taking part in these videos at your own risk. So let's just get started. We're going to start with our feet underneath us, facing together, and then turn the toes out 10 to 2 and line the feet up underneath your hips. We're just going to pop the fingertips onto the hip bones and soften the knees and tilt the pelvis forward and then back. So tilt forward and back. So we've got point A at the front and point C at the back. And we're going to settle at point B. So we're lengthening out the tailbone, starting to draw in the abdominals here. Let's think about keeping the legs nice and strong now and rolling the shoulders back, taking your fingertips to the midline of your thighs to open up the chest. Let's take a little bend. We're going to keep it moving. Just a nice little flow to warm us up. Maybe it's first thing in the morning, last thing at night. Bringing that elbow up, taking the arm away from the body. One more each side. Taking the arms up now, just rotate. So keep the hips facing forward. We're just rotating from the waist, nice and gently. One more. Okay, taking the hands together, interlacing. Take them up above your head and then back forward. So up. Round your back as they come back forward. Just getting that upper torso moving. One more. Okay, onto the arms. Lift, open, center, down. Think about keeping the chest down. So we're not arching the rib cage. We're keeping everything engaged through our center, just warming up the chest, opening it up. So we're going to take the arms out. We're going to reach over and in. One more each side. Lovely. Bringing the heels together now, chin coming down just into a little roll down, just a little halfway one, and then rolling back up, and then hands to elbows, roll back. So coming down, just as far as comfortable, hands to shoulders, rolling back. Two more, chin to chest, squeeze the legs together, rolling up. Hands to shoulders, big circle. Last one, rolling down. Coming back up, hands to shoulders, feet back under the hips. Big rotate with the arms, so going from one hip to the other. Just letting everything go nice and heavy, let your waist go into it. Four more, go 4, 3, 2, 1. Round the back and open. So really drawing the navel in. 2 more. Last one. We're going to circle the hip. And again, lift the knee forward. Take it back. Other leg. Circle. Circle, lift forward and back. Let that arms, this circle. Keeping everything still here. Lift it forward. Lift the arm forward again as we go back. Other side, circle. Circle, knee forward, arm forward. Arm forward, knee back. One more each side. Circle. Bringing it all forward, taking it back, Last time, circle. Hips should be feeling a bit looser now. Okay, feet underneath the hips, sitting back. And up. So really sitting that weight back, keeping the chest lifted. 2 more. Last one. Opposite arm and leg. Same side. Changing sides now. So still trying to stay strong through the centre. So we're not kicking and arching our back. We're just controlling everything, keeping it nice and warm. We're going to lift up the legs forward now. Going to go a little bit slower with the tempo. Other side. Lift. 2, 3, 4. We're going to roll all the way down now, so chin to chest, all the way to the floor. Hang over the legs, bend and straighten each leg, head down, looking towards your knees, rolling back up. If you have any lower back injuries or you're pregnant, don't go all the way down, just a mini halfway. Same again, rolling down. Bend, 4, 3, 2, 1, rolling back up. Big circle through the arms. Lovely. Let's just take the hands, interlace them, big reach up, little bit of a stretch over. Other way. Same again. Take the arms, big circle back. Really big. Trying to get the arms back as far as you can. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, give yourselves a clap. Hope you're going to feel a little bit looser and ready to continue with your day. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.